हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एसएससी फाउंडेशन। आज एंशियंट हिस्ट्री के डे 8 में हम इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन टॉपिक से एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड 40 नए क्वेश्चंस पढ़ेंगे जो किसी भी कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है। इससे पहले डे 1 से लेकर डे 7 तक हमने इस टॉपिक से 300 प्लस क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए थे। अगर आपने वो वीडियोस अभी तक नहीं देखा है तो उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स और आई बटन में अवेलेबल है। इसके साथ चैनल पर एंशियंट हिस्ट्री नाम से एक डेडिकेटेड प्लेलिस्ट भी बना दी गई है। इस वीडियो के बाद उस सब वीडियो को भी जरूर देखिए। और हर दिन की तरह वीडियो के एंड में मैं इन 40 क्वेश्चन में से आप लोगों से सिर्फ 3 क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगा, जिनके सही आंसर्स आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखकर बताना। उम्मीद है ये कोर्स आपकी प्रिपरेशन को और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाएगा। तो आपकी कीमती समय की रेस्पेक्ट करते हुए चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। नंबर 1, फ्रॉम वेयर war houses imported? Correct answer, Central Asia. Number 2, what is the major evidence that the inhabitants of the Indus civilization practiced animal husbandry? Correct answer, evidence of humped bull. Number 3, what was the backbone of the Indus civilization? Correct answer, agriculture. Number 4, along with agriculture, which other profession was significant? Correct answer, animal husbandry. Number 5, what were the domesticated animals in the Indus civilization? Correct answer, bull, cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, pig, cat and dog. Where has the image of a cow been found in the Indus civilization? Correct answer, in seals obtained from Harappa. Where were the images of the Indian rhinoceros found? Correct answer, seals from Amri and Kalibangan. Which animal's image is found on the Sumerian Gilgamesh seals? Correct answer, tiger. Where were the remains of horse bones found? Correct answer, Surkotada. Where was a horse tooth discovered? Correct answer, Rana Ghundai. Where were terracotta figurines of a horse found? Correct answer, Lothal. Where were the ashes of a horse found? Correct answer, Sutkagender. Which animals were used for carrying loads? Correct answer, donkey and camel. Under whose control was the production and distribution system of the Indus civilization? Correct answer, well organized and strong central administration. With which region did the word Meluha have a commercial relationship? Correct answer, Akkadian Indus region. What were the mediums of foreign trade in the Indus civilization? Correct answer, goods and seals. With which countries did the Indus civilization have direct commercial contact? Correct answer, Oman and Turkmenistan. What evidence is found for irrigation in the Indus civilization? Correct answer, artificial reservoirs and canals. Besides agriculture and animal husbandry, in what were the inhabitants of the Indus civilization highly skilled? Correct answer, handicrafts and foreign trade. From where was gold collected by the Indus people? Correct answer, Parthia and Karnataka. The Khetli mine was famous for which metal? Correct answer, copper. From which class did the merchants of the Indus civilization mainly belong? Correct answer, ruling class. Why was the port of Lothal different from other cities of the Indus civilization? Correct answer, it was an advanced maritime trade center. Which animal's image was on the seals but its bones were rarely found? Correct answer, cow. Who was called Meluha in Mesopotamian literature? Correct answer, Indus Valley. Why was the importance of merchants high in the Indus social system? Correct answer, they likely conducted the administration. Where was the advanced technique of rainwater harvesting seen? Correct answer, in stone-lined reservoirs. Bull-drawn carts were a medium of transport for which route? Correct answer, land route. Which metals were known to the people of the Indus civilization? Correct answer, gold, silver, copper, tin and zinc. What does the use of camels and donkeys for carrying loads prove? Correct answer, advanced land transport system. What is the approximate number of seals discovered in the Indus civilization? Correct answer, several thousands. Where else have Indus seals been found? Correct answer, centers of contemporary civilizations in other parts of the world. What was engraved on every seal of the Indus civilization? Correct answer, symbols and brief coded information. To whom did the seals generally belong? Correct answer, every merchant and his family. Were the seals used as currency? Correct answer, not known for certain. According to most historians, which system was prevalent for trade in the Indus civilization? Correct answer, barter system. Which was the main industrial center of the Indus civilization? Correct answer, Mohenjo-daro. What was probably the foremost industry of the Indus civilization? Correct answer, textile weaving industry. Along with the use of various colors in pottery, what else was found? Correct answer, Indus script. तो आज हमने इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के नए 40 क्वेश्चंस कवर किए। तो चलिए अब मेरी तरफ से आप लोगों के लिए 3 क्वेश्चंस। नंबर 1, फ्रॉम वेयर वाज गोल्ड कलेक्टेड बाय द इंडस पीपल? नंबर 2, द खेतरी माइन वाज फेमस फॉर व्हिच मेटल? नंबर 3, फ्रॉम व्हिच क्लास डिड द मर्चेंट्स ऑफ द इंडस सिविलाइजेशन मेनली बिलोंग? तीनों क्वेश्चंस के सही आंसर्स कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखकर बताना। आने वाले दिनों में हम और भी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस और आंसर डिस्कस करेंगे। तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिए, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।